Hi, I'm Lisa Cleveland from the Wando Mount Pleasant Library. I'm here to show you how to make some homemade scrubs. One will be a vanilla honey shower scrub and the other one will be a tea tree sea salt hand scrub. These products are all natural and using products that you're going to have at home. You can put them in a jar and use them for yourself or give them as gifts for the holidays. So the first one we're going to start with is the vanilla honey shower scrub. And what you're going to need is a cup of white sugar, which are already pre-measured, a fourth of a cup of olive oil, two tablespoons of honey, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to mix it well together. Smells wonderful. And then what I'm doing is I'm using a reusable wee jar from a yogurt, and you can pour your scrub into this wee jar. Make a nice tag and ribbon and seal it with some saran wrap, and there you have your honey vanilla shower scrub. Next now, we're going to make your sea salt hand scrub. So what you're going to need for this is a cup of sea salt, a half a cup of olive oil, and some essential oil. What I'm using is tea tree oil. It's a natural antibacterial oil, so this is great for flu and cold season. So you're going to use 15 drops. You're going to mix your mixture up, and it looks like that. And I'm also made another jar out of a reusable wee jar. And you're going to put that in your jar. And there you have your tea tree sea salt hand scrub. Both are great for holiday gifts, or you can use it at home for yourself. Here we have our tea tree sea salt hand scrub and our honey vanilla shower scrub. I found both of these ingredients in Botanical Beauties by Aubrey Andress. You can find many more spa products that you can make at home in this book. Enjoy.